we have implemented 2-in-1 solution for air and ground situation displays, which means that one display is needed to depict airflow and ground movement. By scrolling the mouse button at the preset scale setting, this setting is available for each controller online. The display type changes its layout from the air situation to the ground one. We perform seamless transition between the modes of displaying. We see aerodrome layout with runways, taxiways, apron and stands graphically displayed. Here is our SMGCS Level 2 solution with some elements of Level 3 developed. We can provide it either as an integrated part of the ATM Alpha system, or we can offer it as a separate solution. Situation display in ground mode depicts aerodrome layout, including runways, taxiways, apron and stands position. While zooming a picture, additional information appears. Number of stands, occupied stands, and stand reservation mark. Stand is displayed in brown. Track symbol and label layout differ from their views in the air mode. The aircraft symbol replaces the standard box. The symbol size and shape depend on the aircraft wake turbulence category. Symbol and label font color are correlated with aircraft status. Blue for departures, brown for arrivals, label 0 line for essential information. In the ground mode, an additional compass logo appears. It allows the controller to perform online map orientation changes, geographical north, or real runway layout orientation, view from the tower window. A controller can also select his preferable map orientation and pin the selected settings. Even in case if a controller switches to air modes and map orientation will change into geographical north, when he returns to the ground mode, the previously selected map orientation settings will be applied. Some additional features are available for the controller in a ground mode. Runway timer, is a part of tactical controller tool implemented in Alpha system and used for time calculation between departing and/or landing aircraft for more precise time separation calculations considering wake turbulence category. Runway occupancy window allows to manage runway availability and change runway headings. If the runway is occupied, a controller can procedurally close the runway and specify by whom the runway is occupied by adding transport from the list. If the runway is free, but according to the data from the ground surveillance system, someone is on the runway at the moment, a red square appears. It is also possible to set the runway in use for landing and/or departure traffic. A man-demand subsystem enhances flight efficiency and coordination between approach and tower controllers by providing continuous airflow without conflicts and arranging runway workload in the most efficient way. From the left side, the current airflow is presented with the conflicts detected and highlighted in red. Timescale is in the middle. And here is a conflictless sequence calculated by the man-demand. A man-demand might be set up separately for arriving and departing traffic and for both of them simultaneously, and it allows to provide multiple number of runway support.